Hello everyone, this is Marcos Borja, Product Advisor of Downtown Toyota, part of Downtown Auto Group. Today we're going to talk about the genuine accessories that you can put in this RAV4. And that way you can make this car unique for you. Let's go and check it. One thing that you can realize here, you can see that the emblem is a little bit raised. That is because this one has like illuminated emblem, right? So in my personal opinion, looks very nice. Also, when you are, for example, at night and you can see the emblem from Toyota, I think that is a very nice touch. Another accessory that this car has is the hood film. In my personal opinion, this is very useful because this film, it protects from the UV, and also it will protect, for example, when you're driving in the highways. Normally you have this problem always that little rocks jump into the hood and you start having like small chips, right? Or small scratches. It will help you out to protect all of that, right? And also, in my personal opinion, it helps you also to look a little bit nicer because it will maintain like basically underneath like the original paint and everything. And in the long term, I think that is a very, very good value if you're planning to keep this car for a long term. You may ask you why I'm holding this glass of water. It's not because I'm thirsty. Actually, it's because I want to show you how the ceramic coating works in this one. Actually, the ceramic coating is not an accessory, but it is a product that we offer here in Downtown Toyota that actually has 8 years of warranty, okay? This is something that we are selling right now, and actually is a lot of people is very exciting. I have a lot of customers that they are very happy with this because when you put this in your car, it helps you out. You don't need to wash it like so frequently. Actually, it will keep like shining and everything and all the color of the car. So let me show you. You can see how the water just repels and you don't see it stay there, right? So this is a good sign. After that, you can see like all these drops of water, and the good thing with this is that basically it's easy to remove and you won't see like those marks. So that's why it's very important to protect your car with different products or with some accessories. Taking a quick look here in the side of the RAV4, we can notice that we have a couple of accessories, right? We have the multi-side molding, we also have the door edge film, and we also have the door cup film as well, okay? These three products that we have here, actually all of them are to protect your car. And there's many reasons why some customers add these accessories, right? It's because, for example, when you open the door and there's a door here, it will help you out to protect this edge, right? Also here, when you have rings or someone has like something in their hands or even nails, sometimes when you open the door, you start scratching here. One of the most underrated accessories that we have here in Toyota, or I believe that in the automotive industry, is the body side molding. Because unfortunately, when you go to a parking spot, they're always like, it is very tight. And always we have this problem, right? That you are parking like very near to another car, the other person open the door, and there you start having like some dents here. I can say that most likely like the 90% of the cars that we receive like a trade-in, all of them has like a little bit dents here. So this is another way that it will host the value for your car, also increase the value of your car because it will maintain the car in a good shape. You will see a big difference in comparison with the cars that don't have these accessories. So that's why it's so important. Other than how it looks, that looks nicer, is also like to protect your car and to increase your resale value. Another thing that I want to mention to you, it's not a genuine accessory, but it's also that it's something that we offer here in Downtown Toyota. It's the window tints. It will protect you from, for example, from the UV lights and everything, and also to maintain a little bit of privacy, right? So that's why we also highly recommend to install the window tints. The good thing about the rear part of the rear windows, we already have like this from manufacturer already installed, but in the front you can add that, basically like an accessory in-house from Downtown Toyota. One of the nicest products or the accessories that we have here is the roof racks. A lot of people just buy the roof racks because how it looks, because it gives you like a little bit extra like style, like it looks a little bit more off-road or is a little bit overlanding style. That actually, in my personal opinion, it looks nicer. All the cars with the roof racks or crossbars looks a little bit nicer. And also, in the case that you have a lot of things to move and something that is not fit in the trunk, you can take advantage of and put in the roof. I see a lot of people that they like to do for example, biking and everything, they put the bikes on top, or also you can install a towing hitch as well, and you can put a towing in the back as well. That is another option. Camping tents as well. For example, you go to overlanding or something like that. Many ways that you can take advantage of the crossbars. And the good thing about these ones, that those are OEM, those are original from Toyota, so that won't affect like any part of the roof, because unfortunately when you install like aftermarket crossbars, sometimes they don't do like a proper job. Sometimes they do holes in places that they don't need to grill or something like that. So this is something to consider, right? So if you want to something good, you need to buy like something that is original from Toyota. Another accessory that we have here in this RAV4 Limited is that we have the black badges. In my personal opinion, I think that it makes a great contrast. So let's go and check the trunk. So here we have two accessories. We have the cargo net and we also have the cargo liner. In this trim, because this one is the Limited, it already comes with the cargo liner and with the cargo net. But in the entry levels, for example, the ALE, the cargo net and the cargo liner, those are accessories, right? So it won't come with that, or at least that you purchase like separately. Another thing that I like about this one too is that we have the lights here from Toyota and the RAV4. These are a couple of details that actually, like I already mentioned, it makes a difference between like the regular RAV4, right? So if you have these two things, in my personal opinion, it looks a little bit nicer, and also is like something that you maybe feel a little bit more comfortable, right? Because it's slightly different than the other RAV4s. Okay, so we already saw that the lights that we have in the back from the trunk. Basically, when you install those, we also have here in the front seats, you can see also the badge from RAV4. You have that light as well. So these couple of things, or these couple of accessories, in my personal opinion, it makes like a little bit different, and also it makes like the car looks a little bit nicer. So these are very good accessories to have in your RAV4. Okay guys, so this was just a quick look about the accessories that Toyota offered to you, the genuine accessories that Toyota offered you. We have many different accessories for different cars, for the Town RAV, for the Tacoma, for the BZ. All of the cars have like their own accessories as well, right? The specific accessories. So I would like to invite you, if you have any questions, just to connect with us. And also, one thing that I want to mention as well is about the warranty. When you purchase a brand new car and you install the accessories, you have 3 years or 60,000 kilometers of warranty. And that's the big difference. For example, when you purchase in a used car, unfortunately, you only have like 12 months of warranty or 1 year. So when you purchase your brand new car, it's a good thing that before you purchase, you take a quick look of all the accessories that you want to install it and to make a little bit special and to feel like your own style. I think that is very important to take a look before you purchase your brand new RAV4 or your brand new Toyota. So take that in consideration, just let us know and call us if you have any question about the accessories or about any other car. I'm Marcos Borja, Product Advisor here in Downtown Auto Group, part of Downtown Toyota. Please just connect with us, leave us a comment, and we'll be very happy to assist you. Thank you very much.